Hello, Ashley Ayler here. I am so excited you are looking into Exodus as a form to begin earning and making 1K paid out days. Yes, it is true. There are many people who are making 1K plus days with 100% paid out commissions. So below, you're going to find some information, but in a nutshell, what Exodus it is a training platform, which allows you to earn while you learn. So if you are in network marketing, if you are a realtor, if you are someone who sells digital products, maybe you blog, maybe you're in coaching, maybe you're consulting, this can help you because what it is an online digital training hub. So you get to learn essentially bite-sized pieces that you can go out and begin applying into your business. So one, you're going to start implementing these marketing strategies and techniques into your business to grow your current business. But then also you're going to be able to share it with others who maybe need this in their business, who need to learn and sharpen their skill set, and then you earn up to 100% commission. So if you start with the G500, you're looking at, if you're in the network marketing space, this is an incredible place to start because this is going to help you grow your network marketing business, and you are learning from 7-figure, 8-figure earners, and this is constantly being updated. It's not old, it's not stale. It can be implemented into your business with today's times, and it's not outdated. So if you're in network marketing and you're really wanting to scale that network marketing business, you can come in and begin implementing the training from the G500 level when you come in, which will unlock all of that and then more. But plus, you're also going to learn at the G1000 level, if this is the level you are considering, which is the number one level I would really suggest, because then you're really setting yourself up for 1K paid out days, because then you're looking at $1,000 commissions when people come in at the G1000 level. But we're talking self-development, we're talking lead generation, we're talking, how to set up Facebook chats, growing Instagram, growing your Facebook. All of the things are going to be included in the G1000. And then not only that, but you're also able to, at either level that you come in, we have a Facebook course, and it's generally a $500 course, but you would be getting it for completely free, just for locking arms with me as an affiliate. And this is how to grow your business organically. Grow your affiliate business, which I'm talking about Exodus, or grow your current business, whether, once again, you're blogging, you're network marketing, you're sell digital products, you're a consultant, whatever that may look like for you. It's going to teach you how to begin growing your authority, growing your influence, your presence on social media the correct way in the current times that we're in, and how to really scale and skyrocket your business to 6-7 figures and beyond, right? We're learning from 6 and 7, 8-figure earners. Okay, so very successful people have put this together. It's been around for 6 years. Okay, it's very credible. It has a good rep, and it's not going anywhere, right? We're only continuing to grow and expand. But the other thing that really stood out to me with Exodus is, I've grown my email list in the past. I have had to set up my funnels, set up my email list, set up the capture pages, set up the copy, meaning the right verbiage to capture my ideal clients in, and all of that takes a lot of time. And what I found is my network marketing business was really taking the back burner while I was trying to learn all this, and I was literally going crazy. And sometimes I would get results and sometimes I wouldn't, because there was a lot of troubleshooting involved. But what I love about Exodus is it is literally a business in a box, right? It's already set up for you. You've already got your email sequence set up. Like if you have an email list and you want to have those correspondence emails going out, you've already got your lead capture pages set up. You've already got your funnel, the whole back office and suite is set up for you. All you do is you simply come in, you begin learning, and then you just begin implementing it and then sharing it with other entrepreneurs that could also benefit from earning while they're learning. And how often do you hear of a course that you can go out there, buy, and then begin implementing it, and then you're going to start getting 100% commission? I know of none. And that's the beauty of high ticket affiliate marketing, is you get to come in, purchase a course, a one-stop shop. You don't have to add on multiple courses. Like once you learn one thing, you need to learn another. You just come in at the level you want based on the training package for your desire and needs. And then bam, you can begin turning around, sharing it with others, and it's literally already built for you. You just share it and you get 100% commission paid out immediately. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link below or message me, and I would love to chat with you more and share more information with you.